that bitch, ay, gripping on my window? Who's that bitch, ay, gripping on my window? Who's that bitch, ay, gripping on my window?
Gotta let her in, cause she's peeping to my window.
Yo, it's D-Dog, D-Dog the GOAT, bruh. Place goals to remove the procrastinator, betraying you to put aside your passion. You're on the same page of life's book, pick up the paint, beat the brighter picture. That specific chapter could possibly change your entire story plot. Just be patient and pay attention, there's no need to pull a pistol, pussy promise every prayer's gonna push you. Leave plenty of room for improvements of people.
Sorry, as het jy dan nou die, jy het dit gesien, as jy dan nou die jy het dan gechange, jou hare is lang, ons luister jy wee Hy was dan so stil, maar kyk hoe sy nou is the devil in him Hy was in a no, hy was dan so skaam, hy was nie gesien nie Hy was die man met die jokes, en nou maak jy een skars jy het ook
Yo, it's D-Dog the GOAT, bruh. Your favorite white boy reactor from the bottom. We got no one other today than the 4 bloody horsemen, our PE4 horsemen. Because you know Joburg dropped their song 4 Horsemen with Nasty C and Blackie, I think, and A-Reese and all those other guys. But now we got our personal 4 horsemen of R&B, singer, rappers type of Owens. And we got J Scott, Yano O'Nay. The reactor is reacting to the reactor's music. Can you imagine?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Imagine that. I don't think it's ever been done in the history of reactions. A reactor reacting to another reactor's songs. That's actually going to be interesting. I must say it's going to be an interesting reaction. And we got Gordy Box the Hybrid. And who is this, bruh? Oh, yeah, nah, I can't even say because it doesn't even show in the title who is this guy. And I can't see so lekker on the picture who is this person. But all I know from the snippets I heard, this is a banger. Before we even go into this is already a certified banger for the books. It's a certified legendary banger for the books. A 4 horseman domination. This is like, you know, in WWE, we got our tag teams and all of that. Now, I feel like these two on top are like the rappers, the tag team rappers for this. And the 2 bottom Owens are the tag team artists, the singers for this thing now. So I'm excited to check this one out because I never checked it out yet. Whoa!
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Why is it thumbs down? Are you jocks? Are you mad? Nah, my bad about showing the thumbs down there. I didn't mean to do that. I must have clicked by accident. Because I haven't heard the song, so I can't dislike it. And I'll never dislike anyone's shit. Just putting that out there, I'll never dislike your shit ever. In the history of ever, forever, ever. Away. But yeah, I'm excited to check this one out because I've only heard one track of Yano's Your Type. It's the only track I've heard of this man. So I'm excited to check out what Yano is going to do on this one. What flavor he's going to bring onto this track, man. If he's going to be able to have this, if he's going to be able to secure if he's going to be able to live up to that name of that track that he just dropped that other previous weekend shit, that previous months with Your Type. I wonder if he's going to come back with that, with another banger. Because the snippets that I heard of J Scott's vocals, nah, this is a banger for the books, I say. But let's see if it's actually a certified banger for the books. If it's a certified banger. But yeah, without further ado, let's check this out.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Oh, would you look at that? Just look at that.
I can't pull it out.
Yeah, nah, don't know. I still don't know who this guy is. Maybe it's someone from Utenega, another unknown gem from Utenega. I hope so. Because, you know, I'm always excited to check out new music and check out new artists that's out there I don't even know. One thing I hate in this world, bro, is there's so much music out there and so much artists out there I don't even know yet. And that makes me nod, bro. But yeah, let's get into this.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Ooh.
Yeah. Lonely hearts. Hey. It's J Scott.
I feel it already.
Yeah.
Nah, when you said Lonely Hearts, bro, I felt it already. Nah, I'm gonna connect to this track, bro. This is one of those soul connected tracks, bro. One of those tracks you have to connect with your soul to actually listen to. You know that one meme of in the Amazing World of Gumball, when I think it was Gumball or Darwin, they were listening to headphones with this track, ne? And then their soul elevated out of their body and all of that. Then they started going into this another dimension and everything while listening to this music. Feel like that's gonna be me now with you. So if you see my soul come out my body, my spirit come out my body, like into another level of spiritual reality, you know, then just know it was this song that did it.
What are you talking about? You don't fuck them hoes. You just gonna let them peek through the windows and shit like that. Classic.
No comment to that. No comment to that.
Hey, keep it 100, I mean 1,000. Young nigga tripping, cause I got you. Make him a topic, ain't no option. He probably sicking and tripping, he probably stalking on you. I know a couple hundred niggas that is falling for you. Oh God, slut you up.
Ooh, damn, this was so nice. Sure, J Scott, this was so nice, bro. I like the way you just came into this, bro. Your production is so on point. This beat is so on point. Your flow, your lyrics, everything is so on point, bro. Joe, I love the way you came in here, Ko. We have to replay that, ek sê.
Good tripping, cause I got you. Make him a topic, ain't no option. He probably sicking and tripping, he probably stalking on you. I know a couple hundred niggas that is falling for you. Oh God, slut you up. Okay, let's fuck it up. If you don't take
I know a 100 NIGGAs. I can't say their words, so we're gonna play bingo like we did on that cloud reaction. Say my grace, my NIGGA. Gonna play some bingo here, you know. BINGO, BINGO, and bingo was his name. Oh. Now we're gonna play some NIGGA here. So all these NIGGAs were falling for this kid, but I'm still the one that's gonna slut it up. That's gonna, you know, give it a hanky panky. Hey, brother, Slick owns this, my bro. This is just like 13 records on that song. What is your name? It's Slick. These owns are Slick.
tripping, cause I got you. Make him a topic, ain't no option. He probably sicking and tripping, he probably stalking on you. I know a couple.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
100 niggas that is falling for you. Oh God, slut you up. Okay, let's fuck it up. If you don't take the driver's seat, then suck it up. And girl, you hit the harmony and sing it.
If you won't take the driver's seat, suck it off. He, like, you know that saying, they say, oh, just walk off, just walk it off if you angry or if you're upset or something, just walk it off. But man, this time, this man is saying, if you don't want to sit in the driver's seat, if you're upset that you don't want to, that you can't sit in the driver's seat or whatever, just suck it off, man. Suck your problems away. Yeah, this man. This man.
Cause I got that.
Oh, who's that bitch gripping on my window?
Damn!
Who's that bitch
Yay, is this Gory Box? No ways, this is Gory Box. No ways, this is Gory Box. This can't be you, bruh. Sis, I've never heard the sound from Gory Box in my life, bro.
Be stalking on you. I know a couple hundred niggas that is falling for you. Oh God, slut you up. Okay, let's fuck it up. If you don't take the driver's seat, then suck it up. And girl, you hit the harmony and sing it up.
I won't lie, né, but this track is making me feel like the shit, bro. This track is making me feel like that type of motherfucker that can walk into the club, né, and just go chat up this whole group of kinders and go home somewhere with this whole group of kinders, bro.
FBI, open up!
I don't know why, but this track is making me feel confident, bro. Huh.
Cause I got that.
Who's that bitch gripping on my window? Who's that bitch gripping on my window? Who's that bitch gripping on my window?
Gotta let her in, cause she's peeping to my window. Who's that bitch that's creeping to my window? Who's that bitch that's creeping to my window?
Oh, if you, all you people, né, you people that's watching this, né, you know how old school this is, bro. That's the shit that they talking about. Because who remembers those days, né, when you had to sneak a girl through your window and stuff so she can come chill with you at night in your room and stuff. There are times when parents were still too strict, bro, were still 100% strict, and you weren't allowed company like that in your house or in your room. So then you had to like sneak into her room through the window, up that long tree that's by a window, you know. You know those old school movies with those people that have to climb through the windows and then they speak to their goodness or they come chill there or whatever. Surprisingly in all of that. There's an old school vibe, this, bro.
Who's that bitch that's creeping to my window? Gotta let her in, cause she's peeping to my window. Hello, stop, what you looking at? I can see a nigga doing half what I'm doing here. Can see you looking at that nigga mad, cause it ain't my
Damn!
face. I know you wanna taste, so I can be a little bit of secret. Say it's hard for me, knowing that
Damn!
I ain't taking it from him. Or maybe is this all you wanna hear? How could I know something that I know already? Winning it.
Who's that bitch creeping
On my window, who's that bitch that's creeping on my window? Who's that bitch that's creeping on my window?
Gotta let her in, cause she's peeping to my window. Who's that bitch that's
Creeping to my window,
Who's that bitch that's creeping
creeping on my window,
Who's that bitch that's
creeping to my window.
Gotta let her in, cause she's peeping to my window.
French kiss the pussy, I'ma show her I'm by.
Yeah, I know. Yo, Afro Man did it again. Yup, Afro Man did it again. I
This bullshit! This all bullshit!
think your type wasn't just a one-hit wonder. And yeah, I know. Oh, day, bro, is this you singing here, bro? No ways, no ways. I see Jay Scott also has an effect on people, except because you know when Owens make music with sound, everyone that makes music with sound, they get a sound effect, so that means they have to go harder in than what sound is trying to go in, and they just get influenced by sound when they start rapping with sound, and they start like developing a skill like he does, and try and start rapping like he does. You know, now Jay Scott is also having that same effect on all these Owens. They trying to keep up with Jay Scott's verse, and like I've never heard like Yano and Gordy Box. I've never heard them sing like this or make music like this until they hopped on this track with Jay Scott. See, Jay Scott's got that same influence like San does on the rappers when they hop on a track with him. I respect that. Shout out Jay Scott, one of the best bloody producers and beat makers in Euthanache. What a skilled bro. This bro is so talently skilled, if that's a way to say this, bro is talently skilled. So,
Creeping to my window. Gotta let her in, cause she's peeping to my window.
French kiss the pussy, I'ma show her I'm bilingual. Legs hit the ceiling while I
I'ma kiss the pussy and show her that I'm bilingual. So no comment, no comment, no comment, no comment, no comment.
head is through the window. Imagine that, jump inside her like it was a free throw. She mad that she ain't met nobody else like me though. She don't even know that I'm
Oh, she's mad because she's never met anyone like me. Because you know, what I think he's saying there is like he pumped this chick and all of that, and now she fell in love with this bruh. But he's not giving her that attention that she wants and needs, you know, and desires and bones. But now she's mad because all those other guys she's trying to find what she found in him by those Owens she can't find.
FBI, open up!
A lot of people saying that some dicks can make a girl fall in love, bro. And I think this is the situation, yo. I think this bruh's dick, like this can fall in love with him, bro. Now she can't find that feeling in other bras, but this bruh, Yano. Yeah, Yano.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, Yano.
no name. Hit it so good, she screaming out my government name. Now we got the Navy
So I fucked her so good, she's screaming out my government name. See, I told you guys. I think it's that situation again. She's falling in love with the dick. Because Yano's got the magic stick.
Nobody Nobody else like me though. She don't even know that I'm Yano One. Hit it so good, she's screaming out my government name. Now we got the neighbors mad. I don't even care, cause she's curling out my toes while this knocking at the door. Got me thinking like, who's that?
Did you just say she's curling up your toes? Nah.
Me though. She don't even know that I'm Yano One. Hit it so good, she's screaming out my government name. Now we got the neighbors mad. I don't even care, cause she's curling out my toes while this knocking at the door. Got me
She's scaling out my toes. She's scaring out my toes. What you mean, brother? No comment on that because I don't understand what you mean there. But toes curling, your toes curling. Thought her toes is supposed to be curling. But anyways, I'm not gonna question that.
thinking like, who's that?
Creeping on my window. Who's that bitch? Creeping on my window. Who's that bitch? Creeping on my window.
Gotta let her in, cause she's peeping to
On
my
my window.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Who's that beast? Eggs
Creeping out my window. Who's that bitch? Eggs creeping on my window.
Who's that beast? Eggs
Creeping on my window.
Gotta let her in, cause she's peeping
To my window. No, man. No ways. I am so disappointed, XC. I'm so disappointed to the max ability of being disappointed, bro.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I didn't get to hear this bro with the suit and tie on. I never got to hear what this man has got to do on this track, XC. I'm not sure if he's like a co-producer maybe or like part of the beat maker who helped with the beat or whatever, but I'm disappointed we never heard this guy's vocals or what this bro has to say onto the track. So I'm so disappointed on that. But with others than that, I'm so shocked with Gorybox and Yano and Jay Scott and what they did with this track. I honestly was like skeptical about this track, man. I didn't think this track was actually gonna be that good. No offense to any of you all goats in my eyes, but I never expected this track to actually go as hard as it did. So I'm actually shocked here. I'm actually sitting here shocked and surprised, bro. I might actually download this track and like keep it in my playlist and like listen to this shit now. Because this is like one of those tracks that I can actually listen to and not want to skip, you know. I must say this is one of the ones. This is one of them ones, Jay Scott. And yeah, I know this is one of them ones. I can't wait now. Now this actually made me more excited to check out Gorybox's album, actually. To check out his latest album that just dropped. I'm going to leave a link of that in my description below as well. For all of you to check out this man's new album. Damn. I've heard one of the tracks on this album, bro. And I must say, this is an album, one of the albums of the year. This is in probably the top 10 of albums of the year in PE, hip hop and rap. I must say that. But y'all, this is definitely a certified banger for the books, like I said in the beginning. Definitely a certified banger for the books. Hands up, no doubt. Hands on the Bible, no doubt. This is a banger for the books.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But y'all, if you guys enjoyed this one, I'm going to leave the link of the official track of this in my description below for each and everybody to go check out and stream and give it a like, you know, because it's got such little likes and such little views in the amount of time that it's dropped. Even though this track is such a banger, this track, it's got such min views. So rank up the views, Owens, rank up the likes, everything. Gotta do what you gotta do to put these Owens up, because yo, feel like this track is up there. It's up there with one of the best of this year, XC, so far. I must say that. But yo, I'm gonna leave a link also of a WhatsApp group in my description below for each and every artist out there that wants me to react to them, their audio or music video that's out on YouTube at the moment. Drop your links in that group, spam your links in that group, and I'll gladly react to it, do what I gotta do to drop a reaction to it and help you promote it, because like I say in all my videos, support is free. And I'm not going to charge you to support you, because why must I charge you to support you? That's just false at me, bro. So, yeah, let me support you. Let me help you grow. It's just like you guys are helping me grow by checking me out and liking my videos and subscribing to the channel. Oh, yeah. If you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn those notifications on to be kept up with more and more bangers for the books, because you know it's only bangers aside that gets played. Only bangers aside that gets played. And, yeah. Leave a like on this video if you enjoy this reaction. And I'll check you in the next one. That was D-Rock, the GOAT, bruh.